Kalimat tanya bahasa Inggris yang sering digunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Bagaimana bisa? How come? How come? Siapa yang datang? Who's coming? Who's coming? Siapa yang menelepon? Who's calling? Who's calling? Berapa harganya? How much is it? How much is it? Punya siapa ini? Who's this? Who's this? Giliran siapa? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? Apakah kamu merasa lebih baik? Do you feel better? Do you feel better? Ada yang lain? Anything else? Anything else? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin malam? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? Kemana kamu pergi kemarin? Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? Apakah kamu alergi sesuatu? Are you allergic to something? Are you allergic to something? Ada pertanyaan? Any questions? Any questions? Ada masalah? Any problems? Any problems? Ada saran? Any suggestions? Any suggestions? Adakah ATM di dekat sini? Is there an ATM around here? Is there an ATM around here? Bolehkah saya bertanya sesuatu padamu? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Bisakah kamu tunjukkan jalan ke? Can you show me the way to? Can you show me the way to? Apakah ini pedas? Is it spicy? Is it spicy? Apakah ini bagus? Is it good? Is it good? Apakah ini tidak apa-apa? Is it okay? Is it okay? Apakah kamu punya waktu sebentar? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Apa yang membuatmu begitu lama? What took you so long? What took you so long? Dari mana saja kamu? Where have you been? Where have you been? Kok gitu? Why's that? Why's that? Bisakah kamu memberiku tumpangan? Could you give me a ride? Could you give me a ride? Apa salahku? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Sudahkah kamu selesai? Have you finished? Have you finished? Bagaimana penampilanku? How do I look? How do I look? Apakah kamu keberatan? Do you mind? Do you mind? Apakah itu penting? Does it matter? Does it matter? Apakah ini benar atau salah? Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Apakah kamu ingin tahu? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Apakah menurutmu aku bisa melakukannya? Do you think I can do it? Do you think I can do it? Bisakah saya menemuimu besok? May I see you tomorrow? May I see you tomorrow? Ada pendapat lain? Any different opinion? Any different opinion? Bisakah kamu mengatakannya lagi? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Apa yang kamu lakukan di waktu luang? What do you do in your spare time? What do you do in your spare time? Apakah kamu suka musik pop? Do you like pop music? Do you like pop music? Bagaimana kamu sampai ke sana? How did you get there? How did you get there? Bagaimana kamu sampai ke sini? How did you get here? How did you get here? Seberapa sering kamu makan di luar? How often do you eat out? How often do you eat out? Apa yang kamu lakukan untuk relaksasi? What do you do for relaxation? What do you do for relaxation? Apakah menurutmu kita bisa melakukannya? Do you think we can do it? Do you think we can do it? Siapa yang mengatakan padamu? Who told you? Who told you? Siapa yang memberikan ini padamu? Who gave you this? Who gave you this? Apa pendapatmu tentang sepatu baruku? What do you think of my new shoes? What do you think of my new shoes? Apakah kamu ingin bergabung dengan kami? Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? Tidakkah menurutmu ini bagus? Don't you think it's good? Don't you think it's good? Tidakkah menurutmu kita sebaiknya pergi sekarang? Don't you think we should leave now? Don't you think we should leave now? Bagaimana kalau pergi ke toko buku? How about going to the bookstore? How about going to the bookstore? Bagaimana kalau pergi ke Bali liburan ini? How about going to Bali this holiday? How about going to Bali this holiday? Bagaimana kalau mencoba masakan Italia? How about trying some Italian food? How about trying some Italian food? Apakah kamu yakin tentang hal itu? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Apakah kamu yakin tentang apa yang kamu katakan? Are you sure of what you said? Are you sure of what you said? Apakah kamu yakin kamu bisa melakukannya? Are you sure you can do it? Are you sure you can do it? Sudahkah kamu menyelesaikan pekerjaanmu? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? Sudahkah kamu mengirim laporannya? Have you sent the report? Have you sent the report? Sudahkah kamu bersihkan kamarmu? Have you cleaned your room? Have you cleaned your room? Sudahkah kamu makan? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Apakah kamu pandai berenang? Are you good at swimming? Are you good at swimming? Apakah kamu pandai memasak? Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking? Apakah kamu pandai melukis? Are you good at painting? Are you good at painting? Apakah kamu punya waktu? Do you have time? Do you have time? Apakah kamu punya janji temu? Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? Apakah kamu punya pulpen? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Apakah kamu punya saudara kandung? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Bolehkah saya minta waktumu sebentar? May I have a minute of your time? May I have a minute of your time? Bolehkah saya minta waktu 5 menit lagi? May I have 5 more minutes? May I have 5 more minutes? Bolehkah saya minta tambahan waktu? May I have some additional time? May I have some additional time? Bagaimana kamu pergi kerja? How do you go to work? How do you go to work? Bagaimana kamu pergi sekolah? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Bagaimana kamu berlatih bahasa Inggris? How do you practice your English? How do you practice your English? Bagaimana kamu menghabiskan waktu luangmu? How do you spend your spare time? How do you spend your spare time? Bagaimana kamu menikmati liburanmu? How do you enjoy your holiday? How do you enjoy your holiday? Bagaimana kamu mengatur waktumu? How do you manage your time? How do you manage your time? Bagaimana kamu berkomunikasi dengan temanmu? How do you communicate with your friend? How do you communicate with your friend?